Hello my students, Prep 2, how are you? Today we'll solve model number 1 from geometry, math questions bank, الدقهليه government. Look at with me about question number 1, choose the correct answer. The area of rhombus is 40 square centimeter, one of its diagonal 10 centimeter, then the length of the other diagonal equal space. We can write the rule about area of rhombus. We know the area equal half multiplication by diagonal 1 multiplication by diagonal 2. He give us the area equal 40 square centimeter. You can write 40 equal half multiplication by diagonal 1 multiplication by diagonal 2. Then 40 will be equal half of 10 equal 5 times diagonal 2. Then diagonal 2 will be 40 divided by 5 equal 8 centimeter. Then the length about diagonal will be 8 centimeter. Okay, choose letter C. Question number 2, if the area of square equal 50 square centimeter, then the length of its diagonal equal space. We know the rule about area about diagonal here by using diagonal or sides. We have here diagonal. Area about square half multiplication by diagonal power 2. It's area about square by using diagonal, but if you have side in any square, you can find the area square side or side by side. But in this example he asked about the length of diagonal. We can know, or we can write this rule to find the result. Diagonal equal 2 multiplication by area about square under square root. Then diagonal equal square root about 2 times a reverse to area about square. Area of square equal 50. Then the diagonal will be square root about 2 times 50 equal 100. It will be 10 centimeter. Choose letter B. Question number 3. In triangle ABC, if EP power 2 subtract BC power 2 equal EC power 2, the measure of angle B equal space. Look at here about hypotenuse in this triangle. You must get the hypotenuse. How? By using Pythagoras theorem. We know EP power 2 give us EP power 2 subtract BC power 2 equal EC power 2. Okay, then we can move BC power 2 to right hand side equal EP power 2, moving this side here BC power 2 and EP power 2 here, it will be plus. We can move the BC power 2 from left hand side to right hand side and add the result to EC power 2. Then this triangle will be right triangle at C because EP is hypotenuse. The measure of angle B here asked about type of angle B. Angle B here will be acute. Then angle B will be what? Acute, because this triangle right angle at C. Okay, then the result will be here letter A. Question number 4, if area of triangle 30 square centimeter and its height 5 centimeters and its base equal space centimeter. We know the area about triangle equal half multiplication by base multiplication by height. He give us the area equal 30. 30 equal half multiplication by base multiplication by height 5. To find the base, multiplication by 2, area times 2 divided by height equals 60 divided by 5 equal 12 centimeter. Letter B. Question number 5, projection of point 5,3 on x-axis is in the coordinate here. The point 5 and 3 here. He asked about projection in x-axis will be 5 and 0. The projection about this point in x-axis. Okay, but if you ask it about y-axis, the result will be 0 and 3. If you ask it about y-axis, then the result will be 5 and 0. The projection about of point 5, 3 on x-axis. Letter C. Question 6. Number 6. If the drawing scale of two similar triangle 1 to 2 and measure of one of angle of smaller triangle is 50 degree, then the measure of corresponding angle of greater triangle equal space. You must know each corresponding angle equal a measure about smaller triangle and greater triangle. The measure of angle here 50 degree, then the corresponding angle here will be 50 degree. Okay, the result will be 50. We can't change the sign because the corresponding angles will be equal in measure. He gives us the drawing scale of two similar triangle 1 and 2. Okay, because we have two triangle are similar. Similar, it's meaning each two sides, corresponding sides, we have the ratio between them, and each corresponding angles are equal in measure. So the result will be 50. Don't you change the sign here or the angle, okay? Because each corresponding angles are equal in measure. Question number 2. Area of parallelogram 30 square centimeter. Its base 6 centimeter and its height. We can find the height by divided by area and corresponding base. 30 divided by 6 equal 5. We must write here 5 in the space here, 5 centimeter, because the area about parallelogram equal base times the height. 6 times what equal 30? 6 times 5 centimeter. Question number 7. In triangle ABC, write at A. Then AD and AD perpendicular to BC, then AB multiplication by space equal BC multiplication by space. Look at here about this triangle. He tell us triangle here. Right at what? At P or AD, right angle at A. Okay. Again, we have triangle here, right at A. ABC is right angle triangle at A. Give us this information in the example. And they tell us AD parallel to BC. Then AB multiplication by next or adjacent side here equal base times the height, CB times AD. Okay, so we must write AD here and CA here in the space of this example by using Euclidean theorem. Question 8. Area of parallelogram equal space area of triangle with common base and between two parallel lines, one of them carrying the base. He asked about the ratio between area about parallelogram and area of triangle twice, equal twice. Area of parallelogram equal twice area of triangle with common base and between two parallel lines, one of them carrying this base. Question 9. Two triangles are similar if their corresponding sides are space. If their corresponding sides are proportional. Area of parallelogram equal twice. Okay, two triangles are similar if their corresponding sides are proportional. Right? Proportional in here, this space. Question 10. The median of triangle divided it into triangles equal in the area. equal in area. Question 3. In the opposite figure, ABCD is square of side 12 centimeter, CF equal 3 centimeter, EE intersection CD equal F. Prove that triangle ADF similar to ECF. I want to find prove that ADF is similar to ECF. Okay, we can similar prove that about to triangle by corresponding angles. Prove that we know all angles in triangle equal in measure. The measure of angle D equal measure of angle C. Okay, and DA parallel to BC and DB cut of them, the measure of angle D equal measure of angle C corresponding angles. And we have AE cut intersection about DC at F, the measure of angle EFD equal measure of angle EFC, vertical opposite angles. Okay, and DA parallel to BE and AE cut of them, the measure of angle A equal measure of angle E, alternate angle. Then triangle ADF is similar to triangle ECF, and we can find the length about EC by using the proportion about corresponding sides. We prove that ADF, triangle ADF, is similar to triangle ECF. Then we can find the ratio about ED and EC equal DF over CF equal FA over FE. And then we can find the length about ED by properties about square. ED equal 12 centimeter and the EC we want to find the length about EC, and DF we haven't DF, and CE we haven't the length about CF equal 3 centimeter. Okay, and EA space DF, look at again DF here equal 12 subtract by 3 because DC equal 12 centimeter. All sides equal length in square. Then DF equal 12 minus 3 equal 9. Right here 9. And then you can complete the result here to find the length about EC equal 12 times 3 divided by 9. 12 times 3 divided by 9. 12 times 3 36 divided by 9 equal 4 centimeter. Then the length will be 4 centimeter about line segment length about EC. Okay, next question here. If area of triangle DBM equal area DBM here equal area of triangle CME, and measure of angle AED equals 70 degree. Look at here, AED is 70 degree. The measure of angle ACB. Okay, in this example he give us area of triangle EMC equal area of triangle DMB, so we must add area of triangle EMD to left hand side and right hand side. You will get two triangle equal in the area. They have the same base and included between two sides. Then the two sides here will be parallel. ED will be parallel to CB. Okay, look at here about steps such that area of triangle DMB or DBM equal area of triangle CME 8 area of triangle EMD, then to left hand side and right hand side, then we will get area of triangle BED will be area equal area of triangle CDE, and then we can prove that ED will be parallel to CB, okay, because we have two triangles equal the area drawing the same base and the same side about the base. Then ED parallel to CB, and such that AC transfer about them. Then measure of angle E will be equal measure of angle C equal 70 degree alternate angles. Okay, the result will be 70 degree. Question number 4. The ratio between two parallel bases in trapezium 2 and 3 and the length of the middle base 30 cm. Find the length of the bases. Okay, we know the area about trapezium equal the length about median or middle bases multiplication by height. Okay, the ratio between two bases 2 and 3. The ratio about two bases about trapezium 2 and 3. Look at here, we will put here x is constant about them and give us the length about middle base 30. Then 2x plus 3x equal what? 30 centimeter. Then 5x equals 30 centimeter. We must divide it by 5. Then x will be 6 centimeter. Then the small piece here will be 2 times 6 equal 12. Then 12 and 3 times 6 equal 18 centimeter. It's the length about two bases. Okay, the length of its bases equal 12 centimeter and 18 centimeter. And then he asked about area about trapezium. Then area equal middle base times the height. Middle base here 30 times height 24. The result will be what? We must write 0 here. 3 times 4 equal 12. 2 and the carry up 1. 2 times 3 equals 6 plus 1 equals 7. The result will be 720 square centimeter. Question letter B. In the opposite figure, AD, look at here with me, AD parallel to BC. Prove that area of triangle BMA equal area of EDM. We can prove that by using the median. Look at here, I will explain here. Okay, we know in triangle EMC, D is the midpoint about EC, then MD is the median, then the area about triangle, area of triangle EMD equal area of triangle CMD. It's the first relation. And we know DA parallel to CB and triangle ADB and triangle ADC drawing the same base, and the vertex or vertices here C and B lies in line segment CP parallel to DA. Then area of triangle ABC equal area of triangle DBM DBC. Again, area of triangle ABC equal area of triangle DBC. Then we can cancel the area about MBC from left hand side and right hand side. then the area of triangle AMB equal area of triangle DMC, and then we can prove that area of triangle EMD will be equal area of triangle EMB. Understood, my students? Again, right after me. Look at here, in triangle EMC, such that D is a midpoint. The midpoint of ED, then MD, we call it a median. MD is the median. Then the area of triangle EMD equal area of triangle CMD. It's the first relation. And such that DA parallel to CB, and we have triangle ABC and DBC drawing the same base C base as in the same side about the base. Then area of triangle ABC equal area of triangle DBC, and we can cancel the area about triangle triangle MBC from left hand side and right hand side. Then you can get area of triangle AMB equal area of triangle DMC. From relation 1 relation 2 you can get area of triangle AMB equal area of triangle EMD. Question 5. Determine the type of triangle according to the angles. If each side's length AB equal 8 cm, EC 6 cm, BC 7 cm. In this example, first we can find square root about the greatest length here, AB equal 64. 8 power 2 equals 64. And we know EC power 2 plus CP power 2. EC here equals 6, 6 power 2 equals 36, and CP 7 power 2 equal 49. 9 plus 6 equal 15, 5 and the carry of 1, 5 plus 3 equal 8. And this line segment power 2 greater than or less than this triangle is acute. Triangle ABC is an acute angled triangle. Acute angled triangle. We called it what? Acute angled triangle. Last question here. You want to find the length about LM and XM in this example by using Pythagorean theorem. We have here 7 cm and 24 cm. We can find the length about XZ, and then he asked about LM and MX. Okay, and then prove that this angle 90 degree. Okay, we know such that in triangle XYZ, in this triangle measure of angle Y equal 90 degree. Then XZ power 2 will be 7 power 2 plus 24 power 2, 49 plus 24 power 2, 576. We can add them. 6 plus 9 equal 15, 5 and the carry of 1, 8 plus 4 equal 12, 2 and the carry of 1, 625, and then we can find square root xz equals square root about 625 equal 25 centimeter. Okay, it's xz. And we can prove that measure of angle L equal 90 degree by using the inverse about theorem, such that xz power 2 here, it will be equal to Lx power 2 plus Lz power 2. How? We know this side equals 625, and Lx power 2, Lx equal 15 power 2 equal 225, and Lz power 2 equal 400. Then measure of angle L equal 90 degree, and then we can find the length about what? LM. M is the midpoint. Here give us perpendicular and 15 and 20, and you want to find LM. No, we can find the length about LM here. This triangle from equilibrium it will be perpendicular M here, LM, and X and Z. It was 15 centimeter, and here 20 centimeter, and this side YZ equal 25 centimeter. We can find LM. 15 times 20 over 25. 15 times 20 divided by 25 equal 12 centimeter. And then you can find XM. We know LM power 2 equals the projection here XY, it's XM, okay, XM multiplication by XZ. LM power 2 equal 225, and XM we can get the length multiplication by XZ 25, then XM will be 225 divided by 25 equal what? It will be equal 9 centimeter. Okay, it's the end of the questions. We must study hard, my students, okay, and I will in the future, bismillah, complete all questions with you. Okay, goodbye.